Stunning information on the common garden skink. 1. In Hindi, skinks are frequently referred to as Sampki mousey and spend most of their time on the ground. This type of skink is fairly common throughout the Indian subcontinent. Skinks are lizards from the Skinkidae family, one of the most diverse lizard groups with about 1,500 species known to science. 2. When threatened, it retreats quickly on the ground, usually to a nearby crevice or the bushes. It's hard to catch a glance, but keep an ear out for rustling noises as it darts through the foliage. It can be found in the park underground, in cracks, beneath rocks, and in potted plants. 3. A skink's long body section resembles a snake more than a lizard, but it has relatively short legs and a head that is elevated and directed upwards. 4. The garden skink typically has a brownish-black hue, yet it occasionally may appear to be a dark shade of red when sunbathing. 5. The underside of the male pale flecked garden sunskink is light gray, whereas the underside of the female is yellow, almost orange. 6. They lack pronounced fangs to hurt larger predators, but they do have tiny, keen teeth that can easily slice through smaller prey. 7. Larger invertebrates such as crickets, moths, slaters, earthworms, flies, grubs, and caterpillars, as well as grasshoppers, cockroaches, earwigs, slugs, small spiders, ladybirds, ants, and a variety of other small insects, are consumed by garden skinks. 8. When hunting, skinks may hide and wait for their prey to approach or go at it directly. This depends on how hungry they are. After capturing their victim, they forcefully shake it to kill it before consuming it whole. 9. In order to keep an eye on their prey, skinks are frequently spotted under leaves, in tall grass, and under rocks. They also enjoy hiding in logs away from their larger predators. 10. All reptiles have cold blood, hence in the morning, skinks can be spotted on top of rocks or on walkways warming their blood. 11. Predators of the garden skink are primarily birds. Skinks are at risk from even tiny birds, such as robins. 12. Like many other skinks, if its tail is grabbed roughly, it will drop. 13. While the lizard is making its getaway, the severed tail will flicker ferociously for a while, drawing the predator's attention. 14. The skink's tail will ultimately grow back, even if it could need some energy in the process. 15. Between the summer and the middle of the autumn, the common garden skink lays tiny, white eggs. The female typically lays 4 to 5 eggs, frequently in communal clutches that can total up to 250 eggs, and usually behind a collection of boulders to protect the eggs from predators. After being laid, the eggs hatched after only a few weeks.